The first on our list is the Antarctic Star W5848H. We've included this model for its clever design that fits effortlessly into tight spaces, ideal for playrooms, small kitchens, and offices. It offers a remarkable capacity, holding up to 68 cans, which makes it a practical choice for keeping a variety of drinks close at hand and perfectly chilled. One of the most appealing features of this fridge is its double-pane tempered glass door. This smart design element not only ensures excellent insulation, but also allows you to see your assortment of beverages without needing to open the door, maintaining a constant internal temperature and reducing energy use. The fridge operates with a precision that belies its size, thanks to a 7-grade temperature control knob that keeps conditions optimal within a 40 to 61 degrees Fahrenheit range. Your drinks are always served just how you like them, refreshingly cold. Moreover, the Antarctic Star Mini Fridge excels in quiet operation. Its powerful compressor cools efficiently without disrupting your day. Inside, the soft LED lighting highlights your drink selection, making it easy to grab a drink in low-light conditions. The shelves adjust to accommodate various beverage sizes, adding to its practicality. Designed for freestanding installation, this mini fridge is simple to set up and start using right away. The adjustable front leveling legs enhance stability and facilitate smoother door operation. In summary, the Antarctic Star Mini Fridge combines visibility, versatility, and efficiency, making it an excellent addition to any small space where keeping beverages cold and accessible is a priority. The second on our list is the UHOME Mini Fridge with Freezer. This model is a perfect solution for those needing both refrigeration and freezing capabilities without sacrificing space. Its design cleverly divides the unit into two sections, with 0.96 cubic feet dedicated to freezing and 2.24 cubic feet for refrigeration. This means you can store everything from ice cream and frozen goods to fresh fruits, vegetables, and chilled drinks. The dual functionality is matched by advanced cooling technology, featuring a 7-level temperature adjustment system. This allows precise control over the internal conditions, ensuring that each item stored is kept in its ideal environment. Whether you're cooling beverages or preserving perishables, this mini fridge meets a range of needs with its customizable settings. What makes this fridge especially appealing is its user-friendly design. It includes LED lighting that brightens the interior, making it easy to find items at any time of day. The adjustable shelves and a crisper drawer help organize contents efficiently, while also minimizing odor transfer between foods, a common issue in compact spaces. Another standout feature is its reversible door and adjustable feet. These aspects enhance the fridge's versatility, as you can set it up to open in the most convenient direction for your space and adjust its level to fit uneven floors. This adaptability makes it ideal for a variety of settings, from dorm rooms to home offices. Despite its compact size, the UHOME Mini Fridge does not compromise efficiency. It operates quietly, thanks to a high-performance compressor that does its job without creating a disturbance. This makes it an excellent choice for environments where noise is a concern, such as bedrooms or study areas. The third on our list is the Maniston MRBRN2. This compact beverage refrigerator is a standout with its intelligent features and sleek design. It's especially perfect for those who appreciate both functionality and style in their appliance choices. What truly sets this model apart is its double-layer low-E glass door. This high-quality, transparent glass not only provides a clear view of your beverage selection, but also boasts tightly fitted ceiling strips. These enhance insulation against heat and dust, significantly stabilizing the internal temperature and humidity levels, ideal for optimal wine storage. The Maniston Mini Fridge excels in maintaining a precise and adjustable climate within a range of 35 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for keeping soda, beer, and wine in excellent condition. A digital thermostat display coupled with a simple touch mode button makes switching between Fahrenheit and Celsius effortless while allowing for easy temperature monitoring and adjustments. Efficiency is a hallmark of this fridge, featuring a powerful compressor and an advanced air cooling system that ensures fast and even cooling throughout. Despite its robust cooling capability, the fridge operates quietly and without vibrations, preserving the peace of your living space and ensuring that wine sediments remain undisturbed. The interior is thoughtfully designed with 3 wire shelves and 5 optional slots, providing flexibility to accommodate cans and bottles of various sizes, whether upright or flat. The soft blue LED lighting inside not only enhances visibility, but also adds an aesthetic touch, making your beverages look enticing at night. Compact yet spacious, this 3.2 cubic feet fridge fits easily into small spaces, but offers ample storage. And that ends our list of the best mini fridges. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect one for your needs. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.